Hi everyone. So this will be for this week clients requirements what we have to work for this week. So first client is VTech. So for this we required IT services, infrastructure and cloud security. There are three LOBs in VTech, and for this we require minimum 4 to 5 years of experience. And we required a cloud security fundamental understanding and experience. This is mandatory, and they have to certified with this CEH, certified ethical hacker certification. And this is one information and technology security analyst. This is one what we required. And in BTech we have one more LOB, which is cloud engineering. Job title will be cloud engineering, and the location will be Noida, Indore, and Ahmedabad, and currently work from home. So because of this COVID, so once the COVID pandemic everything is done, then we have to start working from office. And they should be and they should be undergoing with this education and training as well. Education, they should be having, and they should be having cloud engineering training, okay, and a BSc degree in computer science they required, that is must and should, and certificate is also very important for them, and it should be certified, micro certified. And here also at least they should be having 3 to 5 years of IT experience in cloud operations and system administration, and they should be knowing Python, Ruby, Net, C slash, and they should be knowing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PowerShell, CI, CD pipelines, and ability to work with all this skill set they should be knowing. Okay, and this is very important. Right now, we have openings for this cloud engineering, that is very important. And one more LOB we have in VTech, again, it's a backend developer. We need this also. This is also main LOB which we required. And this we required associate manager and manager application development. And these are the duties and responsibilities what they will be having. And this is an education and training, any graduation and any specialization, and PG also we required any post graduation, anything is fine, but they should be having good experience, and they should be having experience with programming languages like React JS, PHP, and Node.js, Express, and Python. And again, they should be having an experience in CMS framework and in Symfony and Laravel. And these are the skill set they should be having. They should be having a team building and leadership qualities, and mentoring skills and account management, and everything. The skills also matters a lot. And this is about the first client. So this is about the VTech. So once we are done with the VTech, so I'll be explaining you about a next client. I'll be moving to next client. So next client will be Excel Technologies. Okay, Excel technologies, coming to Excel technologies, we are hiring software engineering, .NET. For Excel technologies, we required the skill set is .NET. They should be having proper experience in .NET plus Angular 6 plus. They should be having experience in this. It is mandatory. And the location will be in Hyderabad, and the qualification will be BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, ME, and MTech. These are the educational certificates. It's mandatory, and they should be having an experience in years like 2.2 years to 5 years. That is like for normal software engineering, and salary will goes up to 4 to 5, and it goes up to 7 also for software engineering. And in this we have again one more, there is software engineering for senior. They are looking for 5 to 6 to 7 years of experience, and again the salary goes up to 6 to 9, it goes up to that. And these are the essential skill set what they are looking for. These are the strong object what they are looking for is OOPS, and it is oriented programming and system OOPS. And they required fundamentals in 8SP.NET plus MVC 4.5 plus C, and JavaScript and jQuery, Ajax, Angular 6 plus, HTML5 and CSS, Web AIP 2.0, WCF, Net Code 2.0 plus. In this, the main thing what we are looking is .NET experience plus Angular 6 plus experience. In these many skill set, we are looking mainly into Angular 6 plus plus, a .NET. These are the main thing, and these are the roles and responsibilities what they will be, you know, acting as an. And next we have a Cancrysoft. And for Cancrysoft, we required the qualification graduation in BTech, Information Technology, and BE, Computer Science and Engineering. So here minimum experience of 6 to 7 years in a recognized hospitals as a network IT head guiding projects. So these are the projects where we required into hospitals. So they should be having an IT guiding projects and purchasing of computers and software, overall administration, the department helping in a house software development, research and development. So this Cancrisoft, they required all these things. They required a graduate, it's mandatory, and salary again, yes, it's depend upon their interview performance. Okay, let's look into. Okay, so we have another client name, that is Confianza. So we have openings for PHP developer and UI developers. And for PHP, we required number of openings are 2. So totally we require 2 candidates. So for the fresher, we are offering 10K minimum. Hike will be every year and asking 2 years commitment. Okay, they should be working at least for 2 years. Fresher must complete PHP course. Fresher should be having this PHP course, that is mandatory. And interview process is written test and face-to-face interview. This is for fresher. Now we'll just move on to experience. For the experienced candidate, we are offering 15K to 20,000 depending their performance on system test. This is for experience, the system test will be mandatory. Okay, so they once they get selected, and they'll be having a system test, that is a test they'll be giving from the company. So they have to clear the test, then only they can move on to the next. So experienced must have knowledge on core PHP and JavaScript and OOPS concept and HTML. It is good if they have knowledge on frameworks, and they are looking for framework as well. In case if they have these all the skill set, if they don't have frameworks, that's fine. But what they are asking is if they have knowledge about framework, it will be useful more. interview process is system test and face-to-face interview. This will be face-to-face interview and they'll be having a system test as well. And we have openings again for UI developers, and again we have two openings. This is only for freshers. For the fresher we are offering 10 maximum minimum, and hike will be every year asking 2 years commitment. Same thing it goes to a PHP developer also. Must completed web designing course. They should be completed their web designing course. We have to look here for additional things. What we have to look into the resume, whether they have completed their designing course or not. We have to check. In case if it is there, yes, we can shortlist. If it is not there, then no, we have to reject. So this is the thing, and they have to. And again, the interview process is system test and face-to-face interview will be there. This is for Confianza. And next we have High Prism. Next client is High Prism. Let's move on to that. And here for iPrism, here we required iOS developer, and the key skills will be Swift and Objective-C. And experience, we are looking for 1 to 4 years experience, not fresher. And here again we have openings 2 positions, and here also they require PHP developer, and the key skills will be code and experience. We require 1.2 years of experience. Again we require 2, a number of positions we have 2. We require 2 candidates there. Again we have web developer, and the key skills will be WordPress. We have to look properly into key skills, and then we have to shortlist for this iPrism. They should be having a WordPress, and they should be having experience into 1.2 years, and again required number is 1. So 1 candidate we have to shortlist here. And we have Android developer. Again for Android developer we require Java, that is mandatory, and experience they should be having 1 to 2 years, and required number is 2. And UI graphic designer, so here key skills, they should be having an Photoshop, Illustrator, and Adobe XD. They should be having this skill set, and they should be having an experience 1 to 2 years of experience, and number of positions will be 1. And we have one more, UI and UX developer. So for this, key skills is HTML and CSS and JavaScript and Angular. And experience, again 1.2 years of experience we require. And required number of candidates, one candidate we require here. That's it. And project technical head, key skills, web and mobile app project execution and management. And your experience, 3.6 years experience we required. So like up what we were looking, everything for 1 to 2 years of experience. Now here it is like 3 years to 3 to 6 years of experience what we required, and number of required is 1. So this is the iPrism client JD, and here uh, they will be giving you a salary about they'll check your past company experience and the last CTC. According to the last CTC, they'll give you up to 30% of previous salary purely based on the technical interview performance. Again, they'll go with the performance, they'll check your performance, interview performance, everything, then they will give you a salary. According to your performance, they'll give you a salary. This is the client, this is about the client iPrism. Hope you understood everyone. Thank you.